Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is the 28th September, and today I am talking about the what is full stack web development. So full stack web development is refers to the development of both front end and back end portion of the application. So full stack web developers have the ability to design complete and web application and websites. So they work on the front end, back end, database and debugging of a web application or websites. So technology related full stack development. So front end, it is a visible part of a website or a web application which is responsible for user experience. The user directly interact with front end and position of a website portion of website. So front end languages, though front end portion is built any by using some languages. There are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So it is used to design the front end portion and of web application and web page using markup language. It is a combination of hypertext and several language. Hypertext defines the link definition the web pages, and markup languages and defines the text documentation. So within any which defines the structure of web pages. So CSS stands for a cascading sheets. It is a simply design language intended. Stability is a process of making web pages presentable. It's allows to apply system web it's allowed to apply system web pages. So JavaScript is a famous scripting language and create the magic on the sites to the make the sites interact with the user, and it is used to in enhancing the functionality of a website to running cool games and website based. So front end and frameworks and libraries. So Angulars, it is a JavaScript open source front end and framework as a that is mainly used for developing single page web applications. So it is a continuously growing and expanding framework which is provides better ways for developing web applications. It is an open source project which can freely used to charge by anyone. So React is a declarative, efficient and flexible JavaScript library. So for building interfaces, it is an open source component based front end library and responsible only for the view layer of the application. It is maintained by Facebook. So Bootstrap, it is a free and open source tool collection for eating resource responsive websites and web applications. So it is the most popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework or for developing responsible. So jQuery is an open source JavaScript library that simplifies the interaction between HTML and CSS document, more precisely the document object model. So JavaScript. Next is the backend. It refers to the server side development of web application or website with a primary focus on how the website works. It is responsible for managing the database through queries and APIs by client side commands. The backend and version build is using some libraries. And so next is the PHP. It's server side scripting language designed specifically for web development. PHP code executed in server side, so it is called as server side scripting language. So is used to general purpose program language. It is the widely used now days to for competitive programming also used backend languages. So Java is one of the most popular widely used programming language, and platform is a highly scalable, and Java's comments closely available. So Python, it is a programming language that lets you to quickly and integrate a system more efficiently. So thank you.